GST was introduced with a promise to revolutionize India's tax structure. One nation, one tax, streamlined, online, and fair. But 8 years later, while the chaos of multiple taxes has reduced, simplicity still feels distant.
जीएसटी भी एक लंबी विचार प्रक्रिया का परिणाम है। सभी राज्य समान रूप से केंद्र सरकार उसी की बराबरी में और सालों तक चर्चा की है।
Before goods and services tax, businesses juggled state and central taxes like a circus act. With GST, most of those acrobatics are gone. A single procedure, fewer forms, and no state-wise chaos. It's a relief, especially for those with operations across the country. Experts say subsuming multiple taxes under GST helped fix the cascading tax-on-tax problem. It's also made claiming input credits smoother and brought in more taxpayers. A simplified process, yes. But is it really simple? That's where the plot thickens. Despite being online and integrated, GST still isn't plug and play. Experts say what the portal accepts isn't always legally sound. Complex provisions, patchy execution, and confusing interpretations mean that simplification on paper doesn't always match what's happening on the ground. GST has become a major revenue engine, unifying taxes, widening the base, and streamlining compliance. It has turned indirect tax into one of the strongest pillars of India's economic structure. The biggest thorn in GST's side? Input tax credit. Buyers often lose their claim if the seller hasn't paid up, even with invoices, bank proofs, and transport slips in hand. Experts argue, why should the buyer suffer for someone else's fraud? What's worse, businesses say that even when ITC is granted, they can't always use it. Surplus credits just sit there unless there's a matching tax liability. No refund, no relief, just blocked funds, tight liquidity, and mounting costs for running daily operations. Then comes interpretation and enforcement. From off-the-record calls to emails without legal backing, tax officials sometimes blur the lines. Add in misuse summons and raids without proper documentation, and you get a law meant for clarity, creating a whole new fog. Perhaps the biggest fear among businesses is Article 74. Officials often pick the harsher clause for minor errors, alleging tax evasion. Legal experts say this misuse deters businesses from challenging unfair demands because litigation means more time, more money, and more stress. 8 years on, GST is no longer a new experiment. It's the system. It's brought structure, yes, but it's also brought its fair share of strain. The promise of good and simple tax, still a work in progress.